Should I buy or sell Google? The report for Google was first published on our website Friday, November 11, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 11, 2022, our system ranks Google as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.580. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Google, our last headline reads, Google stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Google stock price gained 3.13% on the last trading day, Friday, November 11, 2022, rising from $94 to $96.94. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.4% from a day low at $94.16 to a day high of $97.36. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 0.37% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -10 million shares, and in total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.17 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $152.10, and the lowest price was $83.45. Right now the price is 36.27%, or $55.16, below 52-week high, and 96.16%, or $2,430.05, below all-time high June 11, 2021, where the price hit $2,526.99. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $99.06 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -22.59% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -35.49% and -20.90%. The 12-month trend indicates a -32.72% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -42.94% and -23.21%. This equals a price between $55.31 and $74.44 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Cowen and Company set price target to 135. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 120. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Oppenheimer set price target to 135. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Piper Sandler set price target to 122. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, JP Morgan set price target to 115. From analysts, Google stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Google. The Google stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $89.45 and $96.69. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 3, 2022, and so far it has risen 16.11%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $94.82, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.20 between high and low, or 3.4%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.88%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Google. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Google currently has a price-earning ratio of 18.60. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Google meets first resistance at $98.09. If you do not hold Google shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Google finds first level of support at $94.82, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Google is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 3, 2022, Mather A&N made an inside sell of 260 of Class C capital stock. On November 2, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 855 of Class C capital stock. On October 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 1,069 of Class C Google stock units. On October 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 1,051 of Class C Google stock units. On October 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside buy of 1,069 of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -45.638. In total, the insiders bought 858,975 and sold 2,341,622 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $93.43, minus 3.62%. This stock has high daily movements, and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 6 days ago. Is Google stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 14th, we expect Google to open down $0.787 and start trading at $96.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to